have with us Dr. Viswajit Rath, who is here to give us insights on the field of data analytics. He has an extensive work experience of over 22 years in the field of building data analytics, data strategy models for different domains like retail, telecom, etc. So, sir, today I would like to ask you a few questions. So, sir, do you think that business analyst is an indispensable component in for any company to strategize or plan for the future?
Absolutely, yes. So, first of all, anything that you do in an organization is all about data and analytics, right? I think just a couple of minutes back, I was just attending your conference, right? So, it has two parts. One is the data, other is the analytics. But somebody has to run this, right? So, there are plenty of plethora of data which is available. But somebody has to run that analytics, has to come from a human being. Can you do it through robot? Answer is yes, you can do that robot, but who is going to stimulate that robot is also a human being. So there is a huge amount of opportunity outside the world, but for that there are 5-6 skill sets which I've just talked about in the conference need to be practiced upon, and I think students can take this up as a main drive for augmenting their skills, and can be a good resource for the organizations coming forward.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, we have seen an increase in the demand of analysts in the field of marketing. In future, do you see this demand to be growing or to be shrinking?
No, there is no concept for shrinking. There is absolutely no concept for shrinking at all. Marketing was there long back, and today also we have marketing, right? So even starting from a toothpaste to a BMW car is also all about marketing. But there are 4-5 components to this. So you have human being is not a single person, right? It has 4 dimensions. You have social part, you have demographic part, you have behavioral part, right? Is emotional part. So there are 4 components. And to know all these 4 components, you have to do marketing for 4 different aspects of human being. And that can only a marketer can do it. You can, sometimes play with the brand and using analytics. Sometimes you can play with product using analytics. Sometimes you can play with human brain. What he likes, what he doesn't like, and sometimes we are also play with emotions. So all these aspects can cover up with customer 360. Probably that is the next big thing which is coming, and CDP is one of their solution. CDP is going to take the next leap, whether it is through Azure or through AWS or Salesforce. Everybody is coming and talking about CDP, and this is all about marketing analytics only. So there is a huge scope.
So there is a notion among the peers now, MBA graduates, that marketing analyst is something that is only limited to the area of advertising. Mm-hmm. So is it true?
Answer is absolutely no. I just couple of minutes back told you psychology, yes. Sociology, you all have heard about, right? Psychology, sociology. I think there is a myth some time back that if you are a psychology, your life is only psychology, sociology. Answer is no. There are a lot of research is happening around this on psychology, sociology. Now, if you are talking about future, I think they are the futures because they know human being much better than what we are doing. Even TISS, Tata Institute of Social Science, where I am associated very closely, it's a social institute of legacy. Now they are producing, good amount of analytics students, right? And they are observing across different good organizations. So huge scope, man.
So any advice for a budding analyst?
I think I am very happy today when I spoke to you people. The good part that I have seen, at least in VS, that they have a good amount of listening capacity and a lot of learning ability. This my honest feedback. Lot of scopes in this Vivekananda institutes, but they need to be skilled. They need to be put into a proper set. It's not about just wearing a jacket. It has to be wearing a jacket in a proper set. So it's a lot of role need to be played by the professors. I think the mentors and the board, they need to play a significant role in transforming these young chaps to become the real analysts in the future.
Sir, how was your experience at Vivekananda Business School today?
If I'll ask me, when I entered these institutes and when I'm leaving these institutes, it's now threefold. So this is definitely at a very, very positive note. I'm happy and I'm happy to collaborate, happy to mentor. I love to mentor young students, those who are really would like to change their mindsets. If a student would like to really change his mindset, would like to reach me personal capacity, so I'm ready to do. There's nothing, knowledge is nobody's father's property. I have also inherited from somebody else, you can also get it from. It's abundant. Knowledge is abundant. You have to catch it.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank
for
you.
giving us your precious
Thank you.
time. We hope to see you next time and collaborate.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Bye bye.